We're now going to work on some truck patterning. I have a sheet here that has lots of different kinds of trucks, and they're all arranged in a pattern. Let's see how many patterns we have to work with today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 patterns. How many trucks do we have at the bottom? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 trucks that will complete 6 patterns. So you're going to take your scissors and you're going to separate this bottom part from your pictures. You're going to cut along that box to separate those and cut them each into individual trucks. I already have mine done. There I have my paper, and there I have my trucks. So you can do that with your own paper if you have one. If you have your own paper, we can work on it together, or we can work on this one together. Let's look at our first pattern. Say it with me. Pickup truck, fire truck. Pickup truck, fire truck. What would come next in our pattern? It looks like it's an A-A-B pattern. We have 2 trucks that are the same, A-A, just like A's are the same. A-A, and then a different one, B. A-A-B. So what comes next? Right. Did you say a pickup truck? You're right. There's my pickup truck. And I can glue it right down there. That finishes that pattern. Let's check out pattern number 2. Looks like it's a big truck and a dump truck, big truck, dump truck. Let's try that one again. Big truck, dump truck, big truck, dump truck, dump truck. Very good. What was that pattern? With our letters, what would we call that pattern? It looks like an A-B-B pattern. A-B-B. All right. Let's work on pattern number 3. Big truck, fire truck, pickup truck. Big truck, fire truck. What would come next? Now, if I wasn't sure, I could go back in the pattern and look at the fire truck. What came after the fire truck? The pickup truck. Let's see if that completes our pattern. Big truck, fire truck, pickup truck. Big truck, fire truck, pickup truck. It does. Let's find a pickup truck. And this one can go on our box right there. Let's see what kind of pattern this is. It's an A-B-C pattern. A-B-C. We had 3 different pictures. A-B-C. Good work, boys and girls. Okay, let's check out our next one. Dump truck, fire truck. Dump truck, fire truck. What comes after the fire truck? Dump truck. If I wasn't sure, I could find the fire truck and see what came after it. You got it, a dump truck. Let's find the dump truck. Good job. And what kind of letter pattern is this? A-A-B. A-A-B. Just like up here we had an A-A-B pattern. A-A-B. Good work. All right, let's check out the next one. Dump truck, big truck, pickup truck. Dump truck, big truck, pickup truck. What comes after the pickup truck? Did you say dump truck? All right. Way to go. Here's our pattern. It's an A, B, C pattern. A, B, C. And then we started again with our A. Wow, you're doing a fantastic job. Here's our last one. Fire truck, pickup truck. Fire truck, pickup truck. What comes next? Fire truck. Awesome. Here was our last one. Let's see the letter pattern. It was an AAB pattern. AAB. AAB. Wow, boys and girls, that was terrific work today. I'm very proud of you. Keep up the good work.